We've just had our first rehearsal with the Norwich Concert of Voices. It's so exciting to get these singers together and it's such a fab sound. So please tune in at 8 p.m. on Monday the 29th to see some beautiful Lenten music in this gorgeous building.
Join us for our musical meditation on the Way of the Cross. We've got lots of beautiful Lenten music from Tallis and Gibbons through to Parry and Walton. It can be found on the Norwich Cathedral Services YouTube channel. That's 8 p.m. on Monday the 29th. And if you would like to support us, we'd be very grateful. There will be a link in the description of the video for you to donate.